She's the one I'm talking about.
Oh, I see. So this is Ugoma, the girl that came back from Warri.
Yes. I heard she ran away from her sister's house to this village. Can you imagine?
They say monkey they sleep, yanga they go wake am. Ostrich. And your voice I hear. What do they talk about?
Meaning what?
Eh? See, Auntie Mumu, you ask me meaning what? Eh? Now me they speak English, but you ask me meaning what?
What can you do?
No, don't even waste your time on her. Who doesn't know her in this village? Onyoko no oka.
Ade. Una sit down. So say the wala too much. This say wala be like bicycle. Eh? Now you did the ride. No. You just off. Share. Even. Auntie, Abel, come. No vex, Abel, come. Help me hold this side of the tire. Make I wind this thing well. Help me hold here. Make I try see whether this thing go.
Me they follow talk. I be another person there. Me they talk to.
No, your ancestor will stand for your back. I don't understand. I said, me help me hold bicycle. That's when I hear they followed it. Who I want follow talk before?
Are you okay? This is something they do you for head. Do you know who you're talking to?
Ah, Bobby, see Morocco, see Spain. Oh, now your red curtains they deceive you. They don't slap your spirit before. I don't make a run enter you. Eh? When you see my face, I be like, who they smile? I dey vex. You dey tell me, say, what I know who you be. Who you be? Explain.
America, all they say no know me for this village. They say no know me. Go and ask of Ego. Nobody will know me for this village. I'm dating the strongest man in this village.
Shut up!
Don't try me, oh.
So weaving will not coordinate.
Don't try me.
Oh, weaving not coordinate, man, not try you.
Let's say you just entered.
Okay, no worry. Now, I'll show you how to.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.